Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a new Dollar Tree haul for you today. It is full of crafting supplies and I would like to share with you. I would like to start off today's haul with this one. These are water balls. I had this on my table with my last haul. I just forgot to mention it. When I'm moving my stuff around, I piled stuff on top of it, so I missed it. I bought these little balls so I can make some pumpkins with it, and I like the squishy effect, so I think it'll work out really well. Now for today's haul, I have some new stuff that I found at my Dollar Tree. I am really happy to share with you. So let's start with this one. Look at these. These are some cute little spider candle holders. Really cute. I bought 3 of these. Cute. I still have my paper stuck in there. The cashiers at the Dollar Tree were really nice to wrap these for me. It is difficult to do with the legs, but they managed, and I'm grateful for that. I also picked up 2 champagne flutes with the orange stems. I think this will work out really well on my little display table. I'm going to set up a little Halloween table. And then I picked up, these are shot glasses. I picked up the orange one because I have an idea. I'm not quite positive how well it will turn out yet, but this is what they look like. So I just got the one for now. If my project works out, I will pick up another set. It comes in purple and black also. And then I found some more candles. Look at these. I found it in 3 colors, so I don't know if there's another color. It kind of looks like there should be a black to the collection, right? So, and it is just white candle inside. But I like the little mugs. They're really cute. So I got 1 of each. I also picked up some ceramic skulls. Look at these. These are iridescent white. I like them. They're so cute. These are just for decorative purposes. To add to my crafting projects. It's to make my crafting projects look cute. And then I also picked it up in the black iridescent one. Look at that. I like the color on these skulls. They're really cute. And then I picked up some more paint sets. This one, oh, you know what? This is broken, but that's okay. It says trick or treat, and the ore is glittered. So I picked up 2 of these. I thought they would look really cute on one of my projects. So I got 2 of these. Let me make some room here. I also picked up this one. And this one is the paint set. And then this one says Happy Halloween. Really cute. I will be doing a lot of coloring this week. Well, in my near future. And then I picked up this one also. Now this is the paint set. Oh wait, hold on. I take that back. This is my other. Oh, hold on. Sorry about that. No, I have 2 trick or treats. I thought I picked up 2 of these, but it looks like I only got the 1. Anyhow, this is the little owl. Look at that. Isn't he so cute? He's like, yeah, hello there. Cute little owl. And then, speaking of owls, I found these at my Dollar Tree. Now this was in the Crafter Squares section. It was not in the Halloween, so I picked up 2 of these. You never know when you need an owl for a project, right? And then I picked up 2 Opry ribbons. And then this is the 1/4 inch. For the longest time we only had the orange and the purple. We finally got the black one, so I picked up the larger ones. And I already have the 1/8 from my fabric store. Or no, I found it at Walmart. So I found these at Dollar Tree. Picked those up. And then, you know what? I know I said I had enough eyeballs with my last haul. But I found it in I found the eyeballs in a red. Look at this. This is the red eyeball. And then, well, you know what? I picked up the other one. There was only one on the shelf, so I only picked up the one. And it comes in blue. Give me a minute. Let me go find the yellow one. Here we go. Here's the yellow one. So they have it in the red, the blue, and the yellow. Look at that. So there's some creepy eyeballs. I have some good plans for those. I think what I don't use, I probably will just put in my trick-or-treater bin. You know, trick-or-treaters like playing with eyeballs, right? And then I also picked up some bugs. Now this was in the toy section, but I have plans for these. I know they come in colored, but I would like to go ahead and repaint them so it can become part of my craft projects. Let me get all this. I got the creepy bugs. It says reptiles, but it's not really. I got the bugs. They do have reptiles in case you need those. They have the snakes and lizards. So I got the one with the, what do you call this? The stick bugs. The millipedes or centipedes. I only got the one spider. I wish it came with more. And I got the grasshoppers or crickets. Oh, here's another bee. So I got a red bee and a black bee. What a weird combination in colors, huh? So I got that. And then I picked up some more mesh. This is the black and the cream one. Hopefully you watch my Halloween wreath DIY. I really like the way it turned out, so I picked up 6 more of these meshes. So I'm going to create another one. And then I also found some mini hay bales. It was just the one package laying there by itself. I had to bring it home with me. I also picked up this little toy. Now this has little handbags in there. I have a project in mind that requires handbags. So cute. So I wish to use these little handbags in one of my crafts projects. I think it'll work out really well. And then here's the Barbie rack. This can go in the donation pile. I don't need that. I found a greeting card. Look at this. Isn't it cute? It says Happy Fall. It's got the orange truck this time. And it's got the pumpkins in the back. And then that's what it says on the inside. And it comes with an orange envelope. I like this one. It's really cute. I picked up a new tool. Last week I picked up the shaving brush and it was shedding and it continued to shed, so I picked up this one. This is a cosmetic brush and it is by Sassy and Chic. I think this one will work better. I don't have to worry about it shedding. Well, who knows? Just when I said it's not going to shed, I lost a bristle. But I'm going to give this one a try. That's why that one came home with me. And then I found, oh, you won't believe what I found. I found some mailers. Look at this. Have you ever seen a mailer in this color? Look at this. Isn't that cute? They only had a very small selection, so I only picked up one of each. But, I mean, you got a purple. No, I'm sorry. You have pink. You have gold. You have green. And you have the silver. This is one mail you will not miss in your mailbox. You can see it coming from a mile away. I've only seen it in the 9x6. I don't know if it will come in a larger size, but if I do see it in a larger size, I will definitely pick it up. So this was my surprise of the day from Dollar Tree. Thank you, Dollar Tree, for making me happy. And then I took a special trip to the Dollar Tree for some skulls, and they were out. I went to 2 Dollar Trees and they were both out. But I found me some at Family Dollar for $1, of course, and it's the same thing you find at the Dollar Tree. And I picked up 2 of them. I am really happy with my haul today. I am quite happy I found my candles. I've had this on my list for a bit there, and I was not sure if we would get it at all. I've seen these last year, but you know, online I saw everyone else hauling it, but I never saw it in our store. So I'm very happy we got those. Well, today's haul was a bit of a little quick one. I been struggling to find items at my store, but I am very happy with my Dollar Tree. I can't say that I'm not. And definitely keep an eye out for the mailers. They're just so cute. Have you ever known anyone to be this excited about envelopes? Well, thank you for stopping by today. And this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. And I will see you next time.